Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the live photo is truly live. Play it in Photos to verify motion. Next, open TikTok and tap the plus to create. Make sure the app has photos permission, set to read/write so you can import. Once done, tap Upload, then Recent. You'll see a live photo thumbnail with a concentric icon. Select it. Don't trim or convert yet, because TikTok imports motion only when you choose the correct export path. Once you've selected the live photo, long press its thumbnail in Upload View to trigger motion preview. This tells TikTok to treat it as video. Then choose the on-screen option that converts the live photo into a short video clip. Labels vary, but read as use photo as video or similar. After conversion, trim to your desired length, add sound, effects, or text. Make sure the clip plays smoothly. If frames drop, back out and reselect the live photo to retry. To finish, set your cover frame, write a caption, add hashtags, and choose privacy, then post. If the live photo lost motion, first check photos permission and toggle read/write off and on, then restart TikTok and repeat the upload conversion. If quality or compatibility issues persist, export the live photo from Photos as a MOV via Share right arrow save to Files, then upload that. MOV in TikTok's upload screen. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn motion or quality problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.